supposed to have norms or roles and what women were supposed to be.
Shannon, wow. Who is this Shannon talking? Very
This
good.
is Shannon Collins, right?
All right, Shannon. Another Shannon this in this class, like the last one. This is good. Yes, we'll talk about that. We're gonna talk about some stuff that some of you would have known about and some of you don't know about Africa, about African religiosity, about Obia, voodoo, about who is the founder of the revolution in Haiti. Many of you thought it's Toussaint, but no, the Haitians don't see Toussaint as the founder and the leader of the revolution. They see Dessalines and they see Dutty Boukman, who
They
was
see barbecue.
okay. They don't, but Toussaint was in the French military because they said there's no way this idiot. They use the word idiot. There's no way this simpleton, this person who was not an intellectual, trained in the French army and so on and so European, who was not exposed in European traditions, was able to fight the British and to create this resistance. Sorry, not the British, the French. And so it was more expedient for them to give it to a mulatto or a mixed black man or whatever the case is that was in the French army, because there's no way that any simple person could defeat Napoleon. But the Haitians, if you go to Haiti and ask, who is the founder of revolution? They talk about Dessalines, they talk about Dutty Boukman, very little credence given to Toussaint. But of course, if you read books like, if you read C.L.R. James' Black Jacobins, C.L.R. James' Black Jacobins is saying something else. C.L.R. James, who is from Trinidad, here is this man from Trinidad writing about the Haitian Revolution in Haiti. Now he does a very good job. He's writing it from a subaltern perspective, or history from below, from a Caribbean perspective. We are giving voice to our own history. Yet he was not acting within the Afrocentric paradigm. He was still using European tropes, European understanding, European epistemology, European axiology, European philosophy and anthropology to make determinations about the Haitian Revolution. So, and when I just met C.L.R. James and the Black Jacobin,